Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I want to create a split base Dutch pour using one of my favorite color palettes. And if you haven't seen the video of 2 flows Dutch pour with this color palette, please check the link above. So the main color of the base is primary magenta and the first color was titanium white. I make sure that covered all the edges of the painting. And this is iridescent red blue. Gold by PBO. Venetian rose. A little bit of pearl white. Deep gold by Amsterdam. Venetian rose again. I think I want to make my center space with titanium white more wider. More primary magenta near the flow. And one more layer of iridescent red blue. I decided to add more titanium white to add some highlights. I'm touching the paint and ready to blow it out. Let's work with the details. Today I will not use finger swipes, only my breath. Something went wrong with this splash. I will try to fix it. Sometimes it's really challenging to remove one splash. I think one day my perfectionism will kill me. The painting is ready, let's see how it will dry. Here it is dry, and I decided to embellish it with such a golden frame because there's rather much negative space at the corners. I like this easy way to embellish the painting. Let's do the other side. And I do some last touch-ups. And let me show you the final result. Here it is dry and covered with gloss varnish, and let me show you just such beautiful details of this painting. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.